and welcome to yet another testing episode. Stop asking us when are we going to stop testing. Never. Maybe we like exams, no, Jaggu?
You like exams, I don't like exams. However, life itself is a test.
That is true. That is true. So until we feel
One must
कि
persevere.
we have arrived and all, तब तक हमारी testing phase चलती रहेगी. But anyway, bear with us because these are fun enough episodes for you to interact with.
So here's the thing with testing, you're also involved in that a little bit because once you watch it, we want you to like, we want you to comment. The comments are important because we want your feedback. We want to know what you think, good or bad, whatever it is. The idea is to help us improve, and that is like a constant process. Thoda subscribe bhi karo, thoda share bhi karo, such as the conversation I had with my Masi yesterday, who's an avid watcher. She's also an avid listener of our radio shows.
Hello, baby Masi.
I love you, baby Masi. Baby Masi said, okay, so if I hit this subscribe button, do I have to pay? So I said, no, you don't. Go for it. Don't worry. She said, because I've been hitting subscribe button every time I see your episode. And she's fully up to date, mind you. So I said, no, Masi, only once. Then I told her to hit the bell icon. So the bell icon is going to be hit by baby Masi very soon. And she will be like fully up to date. She will be watching it within 5 minutes of the episode dropping.
Your baby Masi, you are smarter than, not smarter, a little bit, I think more aware than my mother, who has said, I am unable to subscribe. I said, Mummy, but you know, मैंने उनको सब बता दिया. मेरा email address, मेरा phone number, घर का पता. I'm like, who have you said what to, Mummy?
Yeah. What has she subscribed to?
I don't know. And then she has still not managed to subscribe. So there. So just in case your mom is watching, please make at least your mother subscribe because mine is unable to right now. And until I fly all the way back to Mumbai, it's not going to happen. Anyway.
In the meantime, send her on WhatsApp.
Yeah, and please like, subscribe, get people to do this because honestly, we haven't started really promoting it. We're just telling you, but it gets us excited when we see few like subscribers come. So try, okay? Okay, Rahul Dravid. IPL began, but Rahul Dravid has been trending because he's suddenly the new angry young jammy.
Yeah, it's too cool. But I think it started trending. So there's an ad by Cred about using.
Okay, if you haven't seen the ad, let's try and play you the ad first. Taki, we're all on the same page of what's going on. Okay? Oh, let me try.
Cashback and rewards. I know this sounds ridiculous. It's like saying Rahul Dravid has anger issues.
Hey! That doesn't mean you can overtake. Come, man. Come. You come, man. What is that? Hey!
Could have gone straight and taken it.
So that's Rahul Dravid, but that's also Jimmy Sir playing, Cred ka Malik, I don't know. But very cool.
So now, what has happened is, obviously this has gone viral. Because Rahul Dravid and being this angry, although nobody has seen, and that was the point of it. So everyone knows Tanmay Bhatt, Amara, all in AIB boys ka leader. All of them have written it. So very clever, good job, Tanmay. And the director is Ayappa, who's directed it. What is being questioned on social is, yaar, ye jo ad tha, we didn't know it existed until Virat Kohli showed us.
Yeah.
Lekin Virat Kohli seemed to be the first person to share, and Rahul Dravid is not on Twitter, so that's why he didn't share it. He's not really on social media, so he didn't. But very cleverly, Virat Kohli has done it, but he didn't say that it's a paid partnership. But if you see Virat Kohli's any account, nothing he posts for free.
Is that right?
Yeah.
No, this must have been like Rahul hamara bada bhai hai.
No.
No, I mean, come on. It could just as well be that.
Don't be so
Why
naive.
not? Why not?
No.
So he's not posting. He's not posting for other cricketers and things like that usually. It's like
so him and Ashwin both promoted it. Ashwin had ke udhar likha hai promoted by Cred, but Virat Kohli ka was like subtle sort of marketing because all he said was like never seen this side of Dravid. And like mind blown emoji, right? And then a lot of people were wondering, how he shared it, did he get paid? So then there was a full thread explaining 100% he must have gotten paid. Dravid is not on social media, so he couldn't do it himself. B, the ad was nowhere to be found.
Okay,
nowhere to be found except through Virat Kohli's tweet. And only a day later did it actually go up on YouTube where we've found it and played it for you.
So maybe it wasn't paid and he did Rahul Dravid a favor.
I don't think so.
I mean, if you don't do Rahul Dravid a favor, whom will do a favor? Yeah?
Rahul Dravid is not going to say, listen, like मेरे लिए मेरा ad ऐसे promote कर दे. पागल है क्या?
Yeah.
पागल है क्या?
Bhai, yeah.
No,
I'm telling you.
No, so like the cred people have spent a lot of money. Firstly, on Rahul Dravid. Secondly, on Jim Sarb, who is in the start of the ad. And Jim Sarb has been part of this series. And they have paid a fortune to Virat Kohli.
Who got paid more?
Let's not go there.
Achha,
Everybody should be happy with their paycheck.
Gossip.
No, everybody should be happy with the paycheck. But that literally, so the Twitter video that Virat Kohli basically put out, that has like some 2.5 million views.
Okay.
Okay? But the actual video on YouTube for cred has like some 22,000 is that because it came later.
Fair enough.
So, means no. How do you, if I want to promote something you're doing, Jaggu, I will see it somewhere and then say, oh wow, how nice. And then I share it, which is what we're doing right now. We saw it somewhere and we put it out there. Virat Kohli saw it where is the question.
I'm saying I'm taking the middle ground. I'm saying Rahul Dravid sent in the video and said, "Zara promote kar mere liye," and then Dravid said, "Kohli said, tu to mera bada bhai hai kar le."
Do you think Rahul Dravid, the wall, great gentleman, all that and all. Now also actor. Nobody thinks he's an angry young man. Everyone's like, how he could take an actor also. But do you think he's the kind of person who will ask for favors? Wo bhi like professional favors.
Wo bhi hai. Okay, chalo, manta. Okay,
I am
maybe there was money
perfectly okay with all of them making money.
Now the thing is that if money is involved, I want to know how much.
A lot.
Yeah, but I want numbers.
Whatever figure is in your head, Jagu, just like add some 10 zeros. That's what it is. But anyway, back to the goss. So the ideation is of course like super fun because, breaking an image. And the directors basically said that Dravid ko, like, again, we were quite like stressed that will he be able to do it or not. And also we created a proper traffic jam. And then he was aware of certain things that he was going to do, but we put lots of people around them who were shouting at him non-stop. So then he was reacting and not really playing to the camera, which was cool. But this guy, Ayappa, the director, has experience in doing this because I think some 5 years ago, there was another ad in which Khali,
the great Khali,
Khali, the great Khali, all 7 foot 2 inches of him or whatever. Unka image change hua tha in a Ambuja cement ad. We're going to play that for you because then you'll realize that they have actually done this before, okay?
घर एक स्वर्ग होता है जैसे चाहे रो जियो लेकिन मेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं था
बड़ा प्यारा बेटा है खली बस कभी कभी अपनी ही ताकत नहीं समझ पाता है
जिस ताकत ने मेरे को दुनिया भर में मान सम्मान दिलाया वही ताकत मेरी प्रॉब्लम बन गई
It's pretty cool. I want to know what's cemented.
कभी सोचता था अगर मैं औरों की तरह होता पर मेरी माँ कहती थी नहीं बेटे तू स्पेशल है और ऐसा ही चलता रहा अपने आप को मैं हेल्पलेस फील करता था फिर एक दिन मासी ने बताया अंबुजा सीमेंट से घर बना लो उसके बाद पता चला घर पे रहने का मजा
Super cute.
Very
Era? Like really cute.
This was a cult ad. I remember this. It was great fun.
It was very long ago, but I didn't realize that like the same team has sort of like done it. But very nicely done.
And the beauty of a cult ad is not when you see it on TV, but when people start distributing it on WhatsApp and social media and things like that.
Yeah.
And this one was. I remember that. It was quite.
No, but it's really nicely thought out and very like sincere. And I want to know how many of those walls they made and how kacha were the walls and did he poor thing get hurt or not?
I'm sure they took care of that. I'm sure they did.
Little bit. I mean, like even if it's a kacha wall, like like the way you make in movies and all.
Yeah, but it's great.
Plaster of Paris, but but poor thing. Like I'm sure I hopefully asked for like agar mujhe chot lagi and scratch padi or band-aid lagana pada because to fall through a ceiling.
Yeah.
Is a lot.
No. I'm sure there are special effects involved.
It is. But anyway, we were very excited and well, kudos to Cred and kudos to well Ayappa and Ambuja and all, because these are the kind of ads we like to see.
Yeah, absolutely.
And hopefully everybody makes
Fun happens. I
a
tell you.
lot
I'm
of
very
money. Okay, I'm going to move on, Jaggu, and I'm going to show you something totally bizarre. Okay, if you were there, it's just a photo.
Oh, good Lord.
Aren't those the weirdest hands you've ever seen?
Are those human hands?
No, they are not. They are not.
Oh.
These are the paws.
You found a chudel?
No, of a chihuahua.
Oh, I say. Oh, okay. Why does the chihuahua have those?
So so chihuahua.
They are painted, for heaven's sake.
These are fake nails, Jaggu.
Yeah, but I'm. Oh, okay.
Okay. So Coco is the chihuahua.
Coco.
And her.
I know a Coco, but Coco's not. The Coco I know is not a chihuahua. Yet
But basically, her owner happens to be a fake nails nail artist. Sorry, not fake nails artist, but like a nail artist. And she said, I was spending time with Coco, and then I just for fun, I said, let's see, what she looked like with fake nails and all. And it took her about 40-45 minutes. And she said, and Coco was very excited with my, because she was giving attention, obviously. If you're doing hi Coco and you're playing with the dog going to be like, woo, excitement. And then she put up the photos, and now, obviously, these have gone viral because, like, half the people are like, oh, wow, so cute. I want for my little, Rani.
But then, how does a dog run around with those nails? I mean, Chihuahuas, you keep in your handbag, but other dogs, you really can't. I mean, what happens when the dog starts scratching its ear? Then what happens?
I think the nails will fly off or one will go into the ear. Anyway, so she said these nails that take her about 45 minutes to an hour to put on are only for like photos and, sitting.
Okay.
Because
yeah, exactly right. Yeah.
They're not practical at all, and she's like, it's like, please, like, and people are like accusing her of animal cruelty and everyone, and she's like, hello, I love dogs. I've just done this for fun, and it was great fun for the dog. And mera kutta na, I know my kutta is happy.
Correct.
So
Coco had a ball.
Yeah, but she's got now 4 sets of fake nails created for Coco, and people are now placing orders for nails for like their own dogs too.
See, during COVID lockdown times, many people do many things. Simplest thing to do is sit on the couch and watch Netflix, catch up on your reading, start a new project, build up on your previous hobby, that kind, connect with relatives.
Yeah.
But here is someone who runs a nail art business. She's a nail artist. She might as well expand her repertoire. I think it's a good gig.
Correct.
Do you know how much she's charging?
No. Would you like them? Where are you on this? Oh, dear viewer, we would like to know from you. Should are dogs in clothes cute or animal cruelty? And what about the nails? I think we're all going to agree, like, absolutely no.
Yeah. Well, here's the thing.
Also, that didn't look very pretty.
Yeah, I know what you're saying. But well, when we had Joey, we never put clothes on Joey, but Joey did have his own raincoat.
For the rain.
Yeah, like when you took him for a walk, I mean, Joey had his own raincoat. At the max I would go to, and I don't think we ever did that with Joey, but the max I would go to for a pet doggy is maybe a scarf. Just, around his or her neck. Yeah. Okay. But full clothing like jeans and all.
No.
Fake
nails. All right.
No, fake nails, no.
Jago and I both agree. You please let us know. Also, while you're commenting and letting us know, remember to like the video. If you're watching, might as well like it. Also, subscribe if you haven't already. Turn that bell icon on. And please, if you know more like-minded people who would enjoy, long nails on dogs kind of stories, please share with them. Okay.
100%.
While we're on nails, Jaggu, I have come across a few Guinness World Records that have recently been sort of broken or set, whatever, and thought I would like to share. So there is now a woman who has the longest nails in the world.
Okay. Oh, good Lord.
Yeah.
What is happening with that machine?
That is when they cut them off. Now, can you please see that they're not like, they have actually been, kya kehte hai? There's glitter and paint and all that.
That's just uncalled for. Okay.
No, she's maintaining her nails like that.
Yeah, I realize that, but oh my God.
Yeah, so she has
Okay.
what is her name? She's American. Her name is Ayanna Williams. She
Huh.
was the Guinness World Record holder for the world's
Oh.
longest nails for
Okay.
very very long. But after 30 years now, she's chopped them off. So that is what is
Oh,
happening.
that's what that drill is doing there.
Yeah, and they are about 733.55 centimeters long.
Whoa. Okay.
Yeah. And
Okay.
she was first officially like in 2017 she got world's longest nails ka khitab, the
Okay.
title, and then just now it's broken because clearly the nails are longer. And
So I've seen girls panic about like 1 inch nails and there is a crack and there's like chaos and repair karna hai, repaint karna hai, cut karna hai,
Yeah.
shipping, filing karna hai. This is a nightmare, yeah.
it really, I'm amazed. I'm actually like salute because I to bite my nails. So this is salute that she's managed to grow them for so many years.
So when she goes to a parlor,
Yeah.
when she calls a parlor for an appointment and says, I'm coming to paint my nails, how much do you charge? And they laga one figure, okay. Then she walks in with those nails. Does the price go up or not?
I'm guessing yes. It apparently takes. She needs over 2 bottles of nail polish and
Of course.
20 hours to do a manicure. I think she's probably doing it herself.
Manicure bhi hota hai.
हाँ, manicure भी होता है.
Wow.
But anyway, in case you're wondering, अच्छा now what happens once you cut them because these were cut off. If
Yeah.
you please notice that it's going to go to Ripley's Believe It or Not, and they will be permanently there.
Oh, that's not an exhibit I want to see really.
Yeah, right?
I have another question.
Yes.
Those rings that she's wearing,
There, okay. No, we can see
if
the rings
she-
only in this one. Yeah.
yes,
Correct.
if she ever has to take them off,
Huh.
that must be a 10-15 minute procedure right there.
I guess
So
once
she
you
has to,
reach
like,
till here, then it can like sort of
roll
slide
up.
down.
Yeah, but they're very curved and all. Yeah, they like rings don't take U-turns on their own. You have to like one whole. Oh God, what a process! This is not a record I ever want to see.
Yeah. Also,
It's okay.
apologies for sharing like a very weird looking image, but I mean, like people are setting records and all. What can we do?
Yeah.
Thoda to like credit banta hai.
Can't complain. Can't
Yeah, we
complain.
can't complain.
I hope Ripley pays her for a nails. There needs to be some monetary payoff for this.
Hopefully.
Utna to hona chahiye.
Yeah. I have another record, Jaggu, which
Fine.
might be kind of nicer. Where have I gone with
Okay.
it? There we are. So this is a Japanese lady who has set a record. Okay. She is
World's
90
oldest lady.
No, yeah, she's only 90.
I
she's
don't know if that's
she's
in
a
Japan,
youngster. She is
Oh,
a
she is a
youngster.
youngster. By Japanese standards, I agree. She is a youngster.
Okay, so her name is Yasuko Tamaki.
Okay.
Okay, so Yasuko Tamaki-san is 90 years old. She has just set a Guinness World Record for
Okay.
the world's oldest office manager.
Oh. She's still working. Oh, hats off, man. Oh, that's fabulous.
Most definitely, we are working.
That is fantastic. Oh, look at her. She doesn't even look 90, man. Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah. And it's not like she's doing half days and abhi now nap time or beta, I couldn't find my dentures in the morning, so I will come in the afternoon or what. No.
She's got a regular 9 to 5. And in Japan, it's not even 9 to 5. They work longer hours, yeah.
No, so she's got a 7.5 hour shift and she works
Okay.
5 days a week. And
Okay.
her the company she works for is called Sunko Industries. They're a
Correct.
trading company and they specialize in screws.
Okay. Whatever it is. But
Nuts
so
and bolts wala screw, huh?
do you happen to know whether she has been working with them for her entire career?
Yes. So she was born in 1930.
Okay.
Okay, agle mahine she's going to turn 91.
90.
Okay,
91,
She's
okay.
going to turn 91.
Okay,
And
okay.
she started working with them in 1956.
Wow. Okay, so like this is over 60 years, 60,
Correct.
well, 65 years.
Yeah, so she is basically being recognized for being the oldest office manager for one single company.
Wow.
Which is quite amazing. So she
When
works on
she-
accounts, she calculates bonuses and all. She's doing like proper work. And she also works out like what's it called? Tax deduction, this, that. So she's very comfortable with like Excel sheets.
Well, I'm not. So
Yeah.
when she retires,
Huh.
that gratuity payout, that final payment that she's going to get, which is invariably a percentage of however it's calculated, percentage of salary multiplied by number of years. So whatever that figure is multiplied by 65, it's going to be a lottery ticket, man.
Yeah.
It's going to be crazy money. The company has been. I'm guessing the company has not let her retire because they can't afford to pay out her gratuity and final payment. Yeah.
No, but I
Final
think
settlement must be in millions.
but Japan, I think, is one of those where they don't force retirement on anybody. Like, if you can
Well,
continue to
clearly
work,
not.
you please continue to work.
Yeah. And at 90 in the office, nobody messes with her also. I mean, she's too senior to mess with.
Yeah,
I mean,
no,
you just
I have a family friend, Kato-san, who is, 88.
Okay.
6 days a week he goes to work.
Oh, well done.
And he runs his own business.
Okay,
And he's
fair enough.
always changed, like the business keeps changing depending on, like what is
Flavor of the
trending.
year.
Yeah. So at one
So
point he was
right
selling.
now he's in the masks business.
Yeah, he would do the masks business, but he
Okay.
also has like sold the Toto toilets and all of that.
Hey.
Yeah, he was very excited and he's like, I really like in the, your part of the world, I want to come Tarana-san and I want to, tell my, and then he described the toilet seat very nicely, including it is, have you experienced it? There are 2 showers, one for front and one for, I'm like, oh my God, I don't know, I have this discussion with an 88-year-old, but yeah, very driven. Only takes one day off
Fantastic.
and that one day is to go and play golf.
Oh, well, he's active on his 7th off day also.
And work
Wow.
hours are 9 to 9.
No.
Yeah,
I don't do that, man.
yeah.
Wow.
And I said, what is your wife not complaining? No, she's playing bridge.
Okay, listen. I'm assuming I'm in my mid 40s. Okay, I'm going to say I have 14, 15 years to retire. At least that's what I would like. These guys are working 30 years beyond that.
Yeah.
This is troubling me.
And that's why they're happy. So we're supposed to have like purpose in life throughout. And for them, work is their purpose.
But golf can be a purpose, yeah. Like I know enough people who retire at 60, 62 and then chalo golf khelte.
Yeah. Have you, dear viewer, found your purpose in life or are you still hunting for it like a lot of us? Do let us know in the comments. Also, Ikigai, if you're familiar with Ikigai, please let us know. Ikigai is basically like finding meaning and purpose in everything that you do.
Correct.
And it's a Japanese concept and all. Anyway, we're going to leave you with one more Guinness World Record. This is very entertaining, okay? Because I felt the need to make up for
The
showing you
nails.
horrendous nails. Are we ready? Chalo.
Yeah, we're ready.
Are, hello. Pretty cool. I think we need to watch
Wow.
it. One more time we have to watch it. So the Guinness record is for moonwalking, which is that backward move, moonwalking like Michael Jackson, with the football on your head without dropping it for over 32 feet, which is what he did. After that, whatever he does is just for fun and for celebration. Please let us watch again. Ready? That's the Guinness record. Super cool.
I think the only thing I could do from that entire thing is when he puts the shirt in the front of it, when he puts the ball in the front of his shirt and it goes to the back. I'm sure I can pull that off. The rest I know is impossible for
Do
me.
you have a ball in your house, Jagu? We'll try and get you to do it.
I don't even have that. Last time I had a ball in my house was like, I don't know, 20, 25 years ago.
So anyway, this gentleman is Abu Bakr Traore. He is originally from Guinea. He has set this record in San Diego in the United States of America. But just in case you're like, wow, very cool. No? He is a Cirque du Soleil artist.
So he comes from practice.
He comes from practice and even during the show, he does play around with the ball and stuff.
Nice.
And I mean like,
Nice.
so like, ye Rosie Roti hai, which is amazing.
Yeah,
But
fabulous.
but the internet is like, this is such a cool like Guinness World Record to set and all. So everyone's
is.
like,
It
why
is.
did he stop and all? He could have easily actually gone.
Yeah, he could have. It looked like.
But I think वो line बना के रखा था, so they're like, okay, only this much.
Okay.
Otherwise, the
And,
Guinness
and then the
record.
entertainment happened after that, which was even more fun.
Yeah, but like everybody is now told him, now you need to set a record for moonwalking with a pumpkin on your head.
Halloween के time करेंगे हम.
है ना?
Do it then.
Yeah. Okay. So we're leaving you with thoughts of like what kind of Guinness record would you be able to set? Jagu, what would you be able to set?
I don't know. I'm going to have to really apply my mind to that. I suspect it might have something to do with food.
I want like simple things like curliest hair in the world or something.
But I could surprise myself, and instead of doing some eating, maybe I can do some cooking. Frying the most number of koli vada fish.
Oh, like that.
Yeah, I could pull that off.
And then eating them.
Yeah, well, slowly.
Leaving you to daydream about what kind of like, you know, Guinness record you could set, or any like Limca record also bhi chalega.
Chalega.
Just have a fantastic rest of your day. We're going to try and talk to you every day this week, not long pieces, but we'll try and come every day just to say hello to you because we miss you, frankly. But remember, you know what you're supposed to do. Jaggu, give the instructions.
Please like the video. If you like it, then you must let us know. Also comment. So all feedback is welcome because we're constantly trying to improve this. So whether
but
you
even
like
if you
it or
don't
not,
have anything
we really
dramatic
want
to
know.
write, even if you
Yeah,
no, but
just
even
one
if you
yo.
have nothing dramatic, a yo will help.
Hello, it kind of helps with the algorithm, as it were. Also subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified. And please share with friends, you know, like-minded friends, people who you might have enjoyed listening to us with before. Just put the word out. We really like that.
And we'd like to remind you, Baby Masi wanted to know whether you have to pay to subscribe. No, not
No, you
just
don't have
her.
to pay
None
to
of you have to
subscribe.
pay to subscribe. And B, my mother needed, for some reason, gave our home address and phone number and all of that. Please don't.
No.
Nobody's asking you.
No.
Okay?
well
I might have to shift my mother out of the house. But just warning you. Oh, also another thing. A lot of people have said, you know, videos take us a little bit longer because earlier when we used to just listen to you, it was easy. We could just put on headphones and carry on. You don't have to stare at us. Listen to these. Little bit you might have to glance to see the videos that we're showing you. But bottom line, you should be able to just listen. Try that also. So while you're driving to work or driving back, try and just listen to the video.
Yeah. Usually they're sound worthy also.
They're sound worthy too. That's true. All right, we're out of here. Have a fantastic rest of your day. Okay, bye.
Bye bye, butterfly.